1, 2, 3, oh. Oh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week, 8 days a week, I love you. 8 days a week, I'm not enough to show I care. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheese.com, and today we're doing 8 days a week by the Beatles. This is part of my ukulele cheat for Beatles song. It's a little printable, foldable thing that basically is the size of your shirt pocket. You can have it with you anywhere and be ready to jam with some Beatles songs. Go to ukulelecheese.com to get yours for free. But anyway, today we're doing 8 days a week. We're going to do it 2 half steps lower than the original. So if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the 2nd fret. But in this tutorial, we're not using a capo. We're doing it at that key because it's easier. Let's see how to play this pretty cool song. Alright, so we start with the intro, for which basically we have C to D to F to C, but also I'm adding something here. Little hammer on, pam, pam, 2 down strums, mostly on the G string, and then a hammer on the 2nd fret of the G string, right? And then I'm grabbing D like this. You can actually bar the whole 2nd fret, but try to play mostly the G string, right? And we do 2 down strums and then the hammer on again. All right, and then the same thing on F, on the 5th fret, right? Barring the 5th fret, not playing the last A string, mostly playing the G string. And getting back to C, all right? This is the intro and the outro, right? We have this little part that is, the song starts with it and also it ends with it. And after that, we have the verse for which we play C. The strumming pattern I'm doing here is down, down, up, down, up, right? Oh, I need your love, babe. So C to D to F to C, and we repeat this 2 times. Oh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. All right, and here we go to the little, I don't know, this is inside the verse, but it's a different vibe. Hold me, A minor to F. Love me, again, A minor. Hold me to D. Love me, hold me, love me. Hold me, love me. And then we get back to C to D to F to C, right? Ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. After the first verse, we immediately glue the 2nd verse next to it, right? Love you every day, girl. Always on my mind. One thing I can say, girl. Love you all the time, oh, love me, please me, love me, squeeze me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. And the only part that's left is the bridge, which starts with the chord of G, right? 8 days a week, I love you. So on this, I'm playing 1 down strum, you, right? And then letting it ring, singing the beat, and then 8 days a week to D, to F, enough to show G, show I care, and getting back to the verse again. Love you every day, girl, always on my mind. one last detail that we have to add here is that at the end of the last verse, right before going to the outro, the last 2 bars we're repeating them 3 times. Ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. 8 days a week. 8 days a week. And now. And this is how you finish the song. Well, that pretty much sums it up. It will be easier to learn this if you have the printable in front of you, which you can get from the link in the description, or also the Groove interactive tab, which you can slow down, practice little bit by little bit this thing. I believe that this is the fastest way to learn anything that's a little bit challenging, so give it a try. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know which song should I do next in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.